what's up everyone? Today I'm going to be going over the abandoned fire alarm devices that I got from the abandoned building. Actually in my area. There was an abandoned, I think, church or school building. I think they were doing a new renovation, turning it into something else. And I got some new devices from it that I'm going to be testing today. And this is the pull station I'm going to be testing them all with. Now I'm going to test them one by one. We're going to start with this one, and we're going to go to this one. So, this one right here is a 2903-9001 with a 2901-9838 without the grill behind it. Now, I really don't know a whole lot about this device. All I know is that it's old, and it surely isn't being made anymore. Because these 2903s are not common to see these days. They're very rare devices, and I love 2903s. And you know what, actually, to fit the older style, I'm going to use my 4251-22. So, move this. I'm going to put this T-bar with the three 2903s. A lot of three. Yeah, I just said three again, and again. Okay, I need to stop doing that. Anyway, so what we're going to be doing is we're going to go ahead and pull the T-bar, and I'm going to go ahead and do strobe tests on all these. Now these are all strobe plates, keep that in mind. So here we go. 3, 2, 1. What? Oh, there it goes. I wonder what code this is. I didn't set up specific coding. I wonder if it's continuous. Hold up, let me... Oh, it is continuous. Okay. There's a little setting I changed where it can turn into a light plate. But I like it better like this. It's cooler. Crap, let me reset the pull. I love these 2903 devices. Let me go. Where are my keys? Dang it. That's freaking weird. I just freaking had them. Where are they? I cannot find my keys. I literally swear I remember having them. Okay, jump cut incoming. Okay, anyways, since I cannot find my keys, I'm going to use this device. This Ansel pull station. And would you look at that? Just now found my keys. Right here. Oh, that's a hole puncher. I thought these were my keys. Blooper. God. Anyway, that's supposed to be for the end of the video, but whatever. Not really a blooper. But okay. Now I'm gonna move over to this horn, or this strobe plate. Here we go. Why is it taking so long to react? Dang, that's bright. What is the candela? What is the candela on this? This is very bright. Ah! This thing flashes much faster, and I don't know why. I think it's one of the older models of these things. Or of these strobe plates. Oh, that's bright. Oh god, my eyes. Okay. Why did that actually hurt my eyes? Oh crap, I didn't close it all the way. I have to fight this thing sometimes to close it. And especially with one hand. Here we go. Strobe test number 3. Device number 3, or whatever. Let's do a key activation. 3, 2, 1. This one flashes a little slower than that. I think that's one of the oldest ones. Because it does have faded paint, like from the fire lettering. Or the fire lettering is fading immensely. Crap. There's no simplex lettering on this 9838. I just noticed that. Okay, let me close it. Okay. That was bright on this strobe. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to test each horn. Here we go. 3, 2, wait. Hold up. Yeah, whatever. I was about to go down and look for my 2099 9756, but I don't really think I need that for this test. Anyways, here we go. Starting with this one. It's not on code 3, it's on a special coding. It's like slower 2001 March time. That was pretty loud. Now, that is code 3, but it's like code whatever. It's like code 3, but it goes on forever. So anyway, it's like, I don't know how to explain this. It's like it's like code 3, but it's March time. Like, it doesn't skip a beat for the code 3. It's hard to explain, but anyways, here we go. 2903, or why am I saying this? So, here we go. 29019838 test number 2. Oh no! Oh, God's bright. Turn it off. It's too bright. Woo! That was too bright, but also very loud. Okay. I like the sound, but it's very loud. So, especially on continuous. Oh god. So this one's gonna be code 3. This one is specifically set to code 3. So here we go. 3, 2, 2.5, 1, 1.5. What? Okay, that was pretty loud, I've got to say. So, you know what? Just so you guys can probably enjoy me suffer, I'm going to go ahead and just keep playing this alarm because it's the loudest. I'm going to play this one over and over again. Here we go. As long as I'm one of those. Okay, I can't do this anymore. This is way too loud. For some reason, the strobe slowed down, and now it's flashing the speed of this thing, or one of my true alerts. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed me suffering once again. And I'll see you legends in the next one. Bye.